Well, Cake just redeemed it again. He said he will fly out to you 2 to 4 years from now.
I see how
I never said that. I never said that.
Scam camel.
It's fine.
Go book tickets.
No,
now.
I'm not scamming, dude. There's no scam here. That just means I get to bump the price up. I get to bump the price up and have 2 dinners with Cake now.
WHATEVVVER.
Go fly out and cook.
You did last stream.
Cook with cack.
You
Last
played
stream.
Cake.
TTS said fake
What?
off to me. In big sad.
He didn't mean it.
As if it'd fly to a man. TTS, why don't you love me? DW Nightbot is sassy here.
No.
The ting goes skura, paf paf, car, speedy paf paf, and the PUU podra boom skier, do coo do. I stay home, I hate my job and am a gamer.
I can't wait to outbid
that Panda?
VZ on this canvas.
Ew. You can have it, Tom. I do not approve of the kebab easy worm.
Oh, you look great on here, Kebabs.
Yes, I love it. It doesn't love me back. Camille,
What do you mean, Kebabs? You look great on here.
onion while my bird watched and she came over and grabbed a piece and started. Kebabs, you're so cute.
Grabbed a piece and started what? Started nibbling on the onion?
Bob VZ, wow, just
No, don't
because
leave.
of the worm, it is you.
I have to go. I must leave. I go. The KE Bob
Don't leave.
VZ Goffans cockatoo.
Say hello to the chickens for me, cack, farewell.
Wait, are we showing worms? When did the internet become a garden? I must.
What is
what
the
the
worm?
No. You said where's the worm? It's right here. I mean, it's not. She's not a worm.
Why is that
She's
so
a.
happy.
She's a caterpillar, but. Let's fill in this gap right here.
Gom ZZ.
What's that's a worm?
He Bob's the hungry caterpillar.
HMPH.
You look good in this. You're looking good.
The tomatoes.
That's a hungry caterpillar lemfow. Tom.
I like the hungry caterpillar version Cake did on my the creme brulee one the most because he's like extra thick.
Very hungry caterpillar.
Let me show him. So what she put on the this one. This guy right here.
Hello, Cakesy.
Although
You see him
the
up there?
caterpillar
Look at him.
doesn't have eyes, Camille.
That's a filled up caterpillar. Today
He's
was
chomping
a
on
bad
the.
day.
He's chomping on the
My
mint
ex
leaf.
got hit by a bus and I lost my bus driver.
What, dude?
Yo Goms, I miss you.
He's chomping on it.
Ha ha
Wait.
ha, he full. Nice.
Fat worm.
Wait, was this the day that I used the sage instead of the mint?
Fat pillar.
His versus Chalky.
This was the sage, right? Yo, Burb. Was that the sage day? I thought that was it. Dude, it has to be, right? Those are the sage leaves that I thought were the mint.
That might be sage.
Is that what it was? I think that's what it was. I thought it was longer ago than that, though. The sage incident.